Hi guys, we're back in this video. I have some sad news to share with you. It's going to devastate many of you and possibly make it difficult for you to watch the rest of this video. But here I go. My pen has been destroyed. I don't know who did it. I don't know what happened. I don't know when it happened. But it breaks my heart that I have no words to say. The weight feels different. I don't know if I'm going to try to write with this today in this video, but please bear with me. It's sad. It's sad news that it happens to this beautiful pen. All right, guys. We just finished talking about investing money with a single lump deposit. So making one deposit and letting it sit and having it accrue interest and build up the amount over years and doing nothing with it. And we ended the video, you ended the video by looking at a situation and determining which investment was more attractive, which investment was better. So there is actually something used to compare investments, and that thing is the annual percentage yield. So this is a tool. So this is a tool for us, and it's used to compare investments. All right. So what this tool gives us, it gives us a percentage rate. You want to see a magic trick? Ready? Let's count down. 1, 2, 3. So this is something that takes your rate, takes your interest rate, whether it be compounded monthly, daily, quarterly, and it takes it back to an annual compounded interest. And you're going to do that for any investment you're looking at, and then compare the annual investment rates. Okay? So it takes your rate, converts it to something else that allows you to compare. So the formula, as we see above, is APY's annual percentage yield is simply 1 plus R divided by K raised to the power of K minus 1. So in examining, we do not focus on any amounts that we're depositing. We do not focus on any time frame that we're investing in. It just looks at the rate and how it is being compounded, and that's it. So let's look at an example. This pen's really bothering me. It's the weight's off. So let's say we invest $2,000 with BB&T Bank at a rate of 5.15% annual interest, compounded quarterly. What is the equivalent APY? Okay, so meaning, let's take this situation and find the APY for it. So that $2,000 really has no use in this formula. So we have 1 plus our rates 0.0515 divided by K, which would be quarterly, that would be 4, raised to K minus 1. So Okay, raised to the power of 4 minus 1. And we get approximately 0.0525, which is 5.25%. So now looking at this, so we have 5.15, we got 5.25. So what this is telling us is this: if we invest $2,000 at 5.25% compounded annually, so that's one time a year we would add on the interest amount, okay? So if we do that, it will equal the same as our original situation. If we invest $2,000 at 5.15% compounded quarterly. All right. So we took what we had and converted it back to just one single annual interest rate. Very simple formula. We only need two things really to utilize it. Let's look at one example, and then we'll be done. So Eugene, we're back to good old Eugene. I love that name, Eugene. It's just something about the U, the G, and the E, and it's a great name. So he wants to invest, again, $1,000. So I'm not going to give you the same exact problem as our previous video because you already know the answer to it if you watched it. So let's say we have this now. Which account is more attractive? One that pays 6.3% compounded quarterly, or one that pays 6.26% compounded monthly? So you might think, well, wouldn't, it's kind of like two arguments. Higher percentage, it's gonna be better, or compounded more frequently, meaning you gain interest, you gain money more frequently, monthly, that would be more attractive. Or you might just say, well, I really like this 3. It's a really nice 3, so this is more attractive. Whatever you think, but really, we're gonna use the APY to solve this. So let's say we have, when this one, our APY would be 1 plus 0.063, quarterly, so 4. Okay, so there we find that we get 0.063 oh, something's not right there. Oh, I forgot to add 1, or put the 1 at the end. Oh, there we go. That's better. So it's approximately 0.0645, which is 6.45%. All right, so you see how it jumped up for the annual interest? That's a common tendency, that the interest rate jumps up for the annual. So APY here. Monthly, so 12. All right, so watch, I'm gonna do a little trick here. I am going to go up here, hit enter, and just go in and change our 4 to a 12, and our 0.063 to a 26. We get approximately 0.0644, or 6.44%. And how we know which one is better is we want a higher yield. We want an interest rate that's going to give us more money. And the interest rate that's going to give us more money is going to be the larger interest rate. So that's how we determine which one is more attractive. So the higher yield we earn more from interest. Okay, so let's test this out. Comparing investment plans. Let's test this out on one last problem. This is where I'll leave you for this video. Is which is more attractive? One, a plan that pays 8.75 compounded monthly, or one that pays 8.7 compounded daily. So any questions or comments that you have regarding APY and what it's used for, it's just one simple formula that we used, but if you have any questions, post those questions in the classroom, and we'll do our best to get those questions answered before coming in. But when you come in, we're going to be just using this to compare, and we might actually research and find, investment plans and see which one's better and all. So still talking about money, still looking at which plan's better. But until next time, good day.